Create a tree map for ship state-wise sales in INR using Power BI and explain the simple steps to follow, assuming the table has the following fields: INV NBR invoice number, INV date, exchange rate, SO type, ORD NBR order number, order date, prom date, customer ID, name customer, customer class ID, CUS class description, CISPER ID, market code, ship state, INV ID, investor description, T-ship, CAT prefix, curry cost, curry sales price, curry list price, disc percent, curry total cost, curry to INV, curry ID, per family, CPPR class sub, primary vend ID, alternate ID, CPI promise date, CPI revised date, initial list price, curry to miscellaneous, curry to FRT INV, curry to merch, curry balance due, T-ORD, cust ORD number, sales and inner.